Pastor Bagambe, go.
Something happened. Sin came into the world and sin began to break everything apart. First, it affected the relationship between Adam and Eve. Marriage got affected. Family got affected. Sibling rivalry that ended up in murder. Community began to be broken. The earth began to produce thorns, and the very thing that was supposed to be a blessing started to become such a hardship. It was so broken. But God, because his heart is for a community that flourishes, he knew that the problem was sin. And when you read, sin just continues to reflect itself in different ways even today. But he had a plan. The first Adam failed. The second Adam, Jesus, came to deal with the same problem.
This is Uganda TV for you.